One of the first shop projects I ever did, quite a bit before I even started making YouTube videos, was to put a router in the wing of my table saw. I didn't want to build a box around the whole thing for dust collection for a couple of reasons. I wanted to be able to easily access the power and speed controls, for one, and I also didn't want the router sucking in dusty air, which could shorten its life. So I did a rather sloppy looking small enclosure around only the top of the router that would give me access to all of the router controls, but also let me do dust collection under the table like I wanted without causing the router to suck in dirty air. It's only pulling fresh air when you set it up like this. And although it was kind of a crude build, it's held up for 10 years, so maybe that was okay. Now, fast forward several years, and MLCS hooks me up with their powered router lift, which is absolutely great because you can hold a workpiece with two hands and use a foot pedal to plunge into a workpiece to cut a slot. I do this a lot. I highly recommend it. I wanted to do the same kind of dust collection for similar reasons, but it's trickier because of the lift apparatus. Also, at this point, I have an audience and a business to think about. So, could this be a plan, a kit, a product? I kind of waffled on those questions for quite a while and pursued other things, but I'm finally advancing this one. And why is now the time? Well, in a few weeks, I'm going to receive a large Avid CNC. Thank you so much in advance for hooking me up with that. I'm really excited about it. And this seemed like the perfect thing to offer kits for. I could start with a kit tailored to my powered MLCS router lift. A link for that is in the description if you're curious about it. It's not an affiliate link or anything. I can just say I really like the product and would recommend it. And maybe one more popular router lift to start with. Jessam has been a popular one in the comments. So leave a comment if you'd also like to vote for an additional router lift model to be prioritized. Okay, a couple of things. I am aware that there are products you can buy that attach right at the point where the router meets the table to do the same thing or try to do the same thing. I'm not a big fan of this concept. I think it has a fundamental flaw in that the area that you need to get to is pretty tight, and it's also variable between different models. This means that the hose and the connection assembly can only be so large and never have a particularly tight seal against the router right where the dust is being created. So the feedback on the performance on these isn't good, and I didn't really think I could improve on it without doing something different, like the two-part box design that I'm building in this video, which seemed like the best of both worlds, with good access and clean air to the router and dust collection that's on par with a fully enclosed cabinet. So let me know if you think you'd be interested in a CNC'd kit for a similar design made to suit whatever router lift you have, and thanks as always for watching.